In this video, learn how to use the Faculty Recommendation Entry screen in Salary Planner. First, navigate to the Salary Planner. Use the steps in the How to Log into Salary Planner video to access this page. On the Salary Planner page, expand the Manager Recommendation menu. In the expanded menu, select Faculty Recommendation Entry. The Faculty Recommendation Entry page will appear. The search criteria that are on this screen will be entered with your information by default. No information will need to be entered or changed. Click the Search button. Faculty are separated into three types of employee sheets: FAC, which are tenured or tenure-track faculty; MENT, which are Mennonite non-tenure-track faculty, abbreviated as NTT; and MLNR, which are Milner Library non-tenure-track faculty, abbreviated as NTT. Recommendations are required to be made on each sheet. If you have an NA sheet, this lists employees that report to you or someone below you in the hierarchy that aren't eligible for the merit-based salary increase process. No changes need to be made to an NA sheet. Select any field in the FAC, MENT, or MLNR row to open the sheet. The Faculty Recommendation Entry page will appear. There are 4 sections on this page: the header, the Employees Information area, the Total section, and the footer. At the top left of the header section, your name is listed as the manager. The person you report to is listed as the approver. The performance budget indicates the amount available to allocate as increases. For this demonstration, the total increase percentage is 2%, which leads to a performance evaluated increase of 1.44%. This is multiplied by the total pay rate of the employees listed to calculate the budget. The system will not allow you to exceed this budget. As you enter recommended increases, the remaining performance budget will update to show how much is left to be allocated. The Submit button is also located in the header section. It is the final action taken to send the recommendations to the approver. However, entries are required to be saved before submitting. The Save button is located in the Footer section. In the Employees section, a record for each merit-eligible tenured or tenure-track faculty that reports to you or someone below you in the hierarchy is listed here. If you have a MENT or MLNR sheet, these would be NTT faculty. Click each column header to sort the employee data by the data in that column. Click the Details icon in an employee row to view more detailed information. On the far right, a table icon is displayed. Click this icon to open the data in the Employees section in an Excel spreadsheet. This can be used to review the data. However, recommendations are required to be entered in Salary Planner to be submitted. The checkboxes in the first 3 columns are grayed out and cannot be changed. A checked box indicates yes. These columns indicate whether the faculty member is eligible for the merit process, if they were evaluated as satisfactory in the prior calendar year, and the method in which salaries in iPeople will be updated. The standard increase is already provided. This represents a 0.36% increase based on a 2% merit increase. This allocation is automatically given to all listed faculty that were evaluated as satisfactory. Next, enter the performance evaluated increase. It is cleanest to enter these as whole dollars, but they can also be entered as a percent. The performance budget is 1.44% based on a 2% merit increase of the old pay rate totals. If the entered increase recommendations go over the performance budget amount, an error message will appear. Make adjustments to the entered increase amounts to correct this error. If a faculty member is rated unsatisfactory, they are not eligible to receive a performance evaluated increase. In this case, that column would be blank or $0. The provost allocation, which is 0.2% based on a 2% merit increase, will be entered later in the process by the dean or provost. The totals section shows the total standard allocation and total performance allocation. Total provost allocation will be included once entered in the system. Old pay rate totals and new pay rate totals are shown as well. New pay rate totals are calculated by the following equation. Old pay rate totals plus total standard allocation plus total performance allocation plus provost allocation. Save your recommendations by clicking the Save button in the footer section. You can return later to make changes to your recommendations. However, confirm that the Save button is clicked each time a change is made. Once all recommendations have been entered appropriately and saved, return to the header section and click the Submit button. A message will be displayed asking if you are ready to submit. If you are ready, click the OK button. You'll receive a message indicating your submission has been successful. Alternatively, click the Cancel button to cancel your submission if you are not ready to submit. A system-generated email will be sent to the next approver once all of their direct reports have completed their recommendations. Scroll down to the footer section to return to the search page. You may then log out or select another menu option.